Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. I'm always delighted to see multilingual stuff in AI. In this video, we are going to install Maya locally, which is a multilingual vision language model that supports 8 languages. While current vision language models shine in high resolution languages, they often really struggle with low resource languages and diverse cultural contexts, and we have seen that in various models which we have covered on the channel already. Maya addresses these challenges with inclusivity, safety, and quality at its core. Maya is a multilingual image text pre training model which has been trained in 8 languages based on a Lava pre training dataset, and that really enables diverse language representation. Also, it is quite safe because they have done a thorough analysis of toxicity in the Lava dataset. It enhances cultural and linguistic comprehension, and it has already beaten a lot of other models on various benchmarks, and you can check out that information on their model card. So this model has been developed by Cohere. Yes, that's right, the ones who create those language translation models. The languages it supports is English, Chinese, French, Spanish, Russian, Japanese, Arabic, and Hindi. The license is Apache 2, which is simply amazing. So one last thing, it has, for the language side of thing, it uses Cohere's IR23 8 billion model, which is again a very fine model, and we already have covered it on the channel. So let's get started and let's install it. Let me also give a huge shout out to Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPU, so do check them out. This is my Ubuntu system and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let's first git clone the repo of Maya, and I will drop the link to it in video's description soon. So I have git cloned it. Let me clear the screen. Next up, let's create a virtual environment. Now, as per the repo, they support Python 3.10, so that is what I'm going to create here. So let's wait. It is going to take a minute or so. And that is done. Now let's install all the prerequisites in the editable form from the root of the repo. This is going to take 3 to 4 minutes, so let's wait. And that is all done. And now let me install and launch my Jupyter notebook so that we could play with this model in the browser environment. And now let me show you how to do the inference. This is a code which you need to run, where we are importing this run vqa model for visual question answering, and then we are asking this question that try identify what plane this is based on the design, and then there is this local picture of that plane. This is the one, so which is pretty interesting. It's not that easy to identify the plane. I mean, okay, let's see what happens. And then this function is being called here. Let me also print the answer. I'm just going to say print answer, and now let me run it. Okay, it has downloaded the tokenizer. First time it is going to download the model and tokenizer too. There are 4 shards of it. Let's wait for it to get downloaded. And the model has loaded, and I believe it is also downloading the maybe the multimedia stuff or mmproj. Let's wait for it. Maybe it's a language model. Anyway, let's wait for it. And there you go, we have our answer. So I will just put the picture here and then we will read through it. So it says, based on the image showing a white ceiling with a light and a microwave, it is likely that this is a bathroom of a commercial airplane. The white color and the presence of a light and a microwave are common feature in airplane. So, but it's not telling me this is an airplane bathroom. So yeah, that is correct. It says, what plane is that? I think that was a bit hard. And yeah. Anyway, so this was the example which was given on their model card. Let's try it out on few of our own local images to see how it performs, because this seems a bit of a silly question. Anyway, and let's try one more. Now in the next example, I'm going to give it this image where I have at the top line Hindi, and then this is sort of Hindi text in English, and then the proper English. And in the prompt, I'm asking it extract only Hindi text and translate it into English from this image. So let me run this. While it runs, let me also show you the VRAM consumption. So it is consuming around 17 gig of VRAM, which is not bad for this sort of model. Okay, so let's check it out. There you go. So it has given me this. I can't really read the Hindi. So you see it is the first one, but it doesn't show me the English translation. What do you think about this? Looks good to me. Anyway, if you're Hindi speaking, can you please tell if it is the same text as this one? Okay. Let's try another one. So next up, I have just given it this Chinese language image, and I am asking it what is the language of text in this image and what does it say. It says that it is Chinese, and it reads, the Chinese government has officially announced that the name of the country is the People's Republic of China. I think this is correct, but if you're a Chinese speaker, please kindly confirm if it is correct or not. Okay, let's try out one Arabic one. And I have just given it this Arabic text, and I'm asking it again what is the text and what it says. It says, this is a page from the Holy Book of Islam, the Quran. I don't think so, but if you're an Arabic speaker, please kindly confirm. Okay, let's try out another one. Maybe just due to the calligraphy, but anyway. So I'm saying OCR Spanish.png. So I'm just going to show you this in live, that this is Spanish, and I'm saying it to check this one out. I will just run it to show you the speed. Speed is very good. And there you go. So it says the text in the image is Spanish and it reads this. What do you think? Not all of it, but some of it has gotten it right. Okay, so OCR looks quite okay. I mean, multilingual, maybe not perfect, but still good enough. Let's try out one of the other images other than OCR, of course. In the next example, I'm asking it, I am driving, which lane should I take? So let's run it and see what happens. There you go. It says, based on the image, you are driving on the right lane, which is marked as bus and X. This lane is designated for buses and cross traffic, while the other lane is marked as lane closed. Therefore, it is advisable to stay in the right lane as you drive. So, which is quite good. But one thing, you see it says bus and X, whereas it says bus and RV. So OCR is not as good as we would have thought, but still, other vision capabilities seem quite good. So visual Q&A, which seems quite okay to me. And now in the next one, I'm going to ask it which in the image these are two animals, are the same or not. It says no, the two animals in the image are different. One is raccoon and the other one is baby red panda, which is quite a good answer, I would say. Next up, I'm just going to tease the model. I'm just asking it, in the image, is that your mommy? And this is just an image which I draw from another model which I did this morning, which is an amazing model. I would highly recommend you to check it out. It is Pencil Sketch. Okay, so let's see what model says here. It's model just totally got confused. It says it's baby panda. Okay, so that is fine. Anyway, that was just on a lighter side of things. So you see, model is not bad. It is okay. I mean, not one of the best we have seen on the channel, but still a very good effort. In the vision models, I believe, especially only the fact that it is multilingual really makes my day. Let me know what do you think about it. If you want to learn more about Cohere's model, just go to my channel. Maybe just search with Cohere and you will find hundreds of videos around Cohere models, which I have done in the past. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you.